Hi, what are you guys doing here? I'm joking. How are you all? This is Hazel from Hazel Hopes. I am doing a K18 treatment today. I've never used this before. This tiny bottle, let's see if you can read it. It's the leave-in molecular repair hair mask. So apparently you wash your hair with a Detox shampoo. I'm using this one. I've used it before. And I'm going to be seeing if I can, give my hair a helping hand. It's been feeling a little bit flat recently. It hasn't been feeling in great condition. In fact, hair is falling out everywhere. So I'm going to see if I can give it a little bit of TLC. And I'm going to do this and I will bring you on the journey and let's see how we get on. So the hair has been detoxed and it's been combed through. So this is a really good thing to do every now and again. It removes any pollutants, any sulfates, silicones, anything that's just like sticks to your hair. So use 3 pumps and add more as needed depending on my length and thickness. Apply all over and wait for 4 minutes. Do not use conditioner, it says. Do not rinse out. Okay, my hair has been combed and I'm just trying to get into the box of this product. This product, I believe, cost £30 and it is 15 mil. So it is not sizable by any means. So let's do 3 pumps as mentioned. 1, 2, 3. And you have to do that, apparently. Try and get it into like a little, it just dries into my hands, look. So I'm gonna just feed it through to my hair. So I'm doing 3 more pumps. Okay, we are in. It says to leave it on for 4 minutes before I style it. So I'm gonna just do that and I'll come back in 4 minutes. Right, the 4 minutes is up. I'm gonna now put in some hair product to style it. And when I'm styling my hair wavy or semi-curly, I always style my hair upside down. So I'm now gonna blow dry it. Okay, so I'm actually quite surprised I was able to get that because I didn't think I was going to get that because my hair was actually quite dry. Now, the curl cream that I always use, I've tried many and this is the one I come back to all the time. It's the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. You only need that amount. And when you put it into your hands, you then do that. Multiply it up, put it into your wet hair, comb through and just start to scrunch little bits of wave and definition into it. So the favourite gel that I've got, that I use is Harry's. Harry's is a shaving company for the UK for men, but they brought this gel out, which is curly girl friendly, and they stopped making the gel in the UK. So this was actually from TK Maxx, sold to someone on eBay, and I got it from someone on eBay, but I can smell it. I know what it smells like and I know the consistency of it. So this is going to be the hair gel. What I'm going to do, so if you can hear that, it's a little bit crunchy, that's fine. I'm going to put some hair clips in here to raise the roots. And then I'll come back when I've dried it about 3-4 more minutes. On days when I'm looking for definition, it helps to have a little bit of a lift as well. Yeah, so that's naturally just done that. So I'm going to give this a little bit more of a dry. Just wanted to say, there are some people who don't like doing this, what I do. And the reason I do that is because I'm not too precious about my hair, in the sense that I don't mind a little bit of a rough, kind of like crazy character look. That's me, that's who I am as a person. But there are some people who are quite worried about breaking up the curl definition or the wave definition, and they do a thing called hover dry. And that's when you do this. So there's no touching the hair at all if you're hover diffusing. Now, like I said, I don't hover diffuse, so I just get my hair in the diffuser and then do that, count maybe 5 seconds, let it go. Okay, so here we are. I'm at the stage of, it's pretty dry now. So what I'm going to do now, I've got a tiny bit of oil on my hands. You don't want to walk around with crunchy hair. So what you do now is you very gently just coat the ends of your hair. You don't need to touch your scalp. And then you scrunch out your hair. And this is called scrunch out the crunch. So there we have it. My hair is now styled. And the reason I've styled my hair from beginning to end, so from the Detox to the K18 to the styling, is that this says it will last for 4 to 6 washes. So once I do have to wash my hair, maybe in about 5 or 6 days time, and all this product is going to be gone, I then get to see the real state of my hair. Obviously my hair won't be curly or wavy when I diffuse it again with no product, but I want to see if it feels healthy. Does it feel nourished? Does it feel lovely? So I will come back, feedback that to you, and I will give you my honest truth. But at the moment, this is looking quite lovely. I'm quite happy with that. It has got products in it, obviously, because it says you are to style your hair as per normal. So I put my products that I would normally put in to style my hair like this. What will my hair, after this all drops out and goes lank, and or I get caught in the rain or whatever, will this hair feel nourished, or will it just be feeling all straw and dry and horrible? So I will come back and I will let you know. But at this moment in time, I'm really happy with this. Hi guys, it's 1 week later. My hair has been washed again. It has been air dried with no products. So this is product free hair basically. Now, what is my feedback on the K18? Firstly, I'm glad that it didn't counteract with my styling products, because it was a leave-in treatment. So I have had in the past used products, and when you're ready to go and your hair looks great, you've got flaky bits in your hair, not like dandruff, just like product, like it reacted with each other. So as far as my products that I used, which I will list down below in my description box, it didn't do that, so that's really good. Secondly, I thought that my hair might get a bit dry or brittle with it being a treatment that it said don't use conditioner, but it actually didn't. So that was good as well. And thirdly, and most importantly, is, well, I believe there's a nice shine. There's a nice shine to my hair. I don't know if you can see it in this light. A nice shine to my hair, but also, most importantly, is that my hair feels stronger. Now, not up here, not stronger up here, but from here downwards, this bit down here, it just feels really nice. It feels like it's got a bit of an oomph to it, like it's been given a bit of strength. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And a little like would be much appreciated. And to my viewers who have come back, thank you again, guys. But I will catch you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.